Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Omio application, meaning how to search for train, bus or flight or plane tickets. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this search button down below in the left side corner. Select the type of trip in the middle of the screen on the left side, one way or round trip. Select your departure point and then your destination by tapping on the second bar. Then click on the third bar in the middle of the screen to select your departure and return date. Then click on the confirm button and tap on search. At the top you can select from three options, so you can either look for train tickets, bus tickets or flight tickets. Here you can see the results, you can apply filters. Here you can see the stops, airports, price range can be set as well as the duration, departure and arrival point as well. And then if you click on the done button you will be able to apply these filters, thereby narrowing down your search, and after that you can browse among the available results. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.